BaseKit Website Builder Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. BaseKit is a user-friendly website builder designed for small businesses, freelancers, and anyone looking to create a professional website without needing coding skills. This platform offers a range of features that simplify web design, such as an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, customizable templates, and a responsive design for mobile optimization. It's ideal for users who need to get online quickly and with minimal hassle, offering both flexibility and ease of use. One of the standout features of BaseKit is its robust e-commerce tools, allowing users to set up an online store with product pages, payment gateways, and shipping options seamlessly integrated. The platform also includes SEO optimization features, helping users improve their search engine rankings right out of the box. For those looking to integrate third-party tools, BaseKit supports a variety of apps, including social media integrations and email marketing tools. In terms of strengths, BaseKit shines with its ease of use. The drag-and-drop functionality makes it beginner-friendly, while its extensive library of templates caters to a wide range of industries, ensuring a professional look for your website. The built-in analytics are also a huge plus, giving users insights into website traffic and performance. Additionally, BaseKit's responsive design ensures your site looks great on any device, which is a must-have in today's mobile-first world. However, BaseKit isn't without its weaknesses. While the templates are professional, they can feel a bit restrictive, especially for users with advanced design needs. The customization options, while decent, aren't as flexible as some other website builders, and you might feel limited when trying to implement more complex features. Furthermore, while the e-commerce tools are great for basic stores, they may not be as feature-rich as specialized platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Overall, BaseKit is an excellent choice for users who want a straightforward website builder with strong e-commerce features and good support. It's best suited for those who don't need deep customization, but still want a professional, mobile-friendly website. If you're looking for something more advanced or highly customizable, you might want to consider other options. But BaseKit remains a solid, reliable choice for most small businesses and freelancers.